Unit 10, we learn about rest. So the rest, you need to make sure you don't make a sound, you don't hold the keys down, you have to let it off or do a high five or a high. So I recommend that every time you look at the rest, you have to say it, and then so that your hand will reflect to lifting it off. Come on, tigers. Start from right hand, C. Ready, set, go. C, all the way up to F, rest. G, twice. Going down G, all the way down to rest. C, twice. Let's sing with me. Ready, set, go. Come on, tiger, rest. Let's fly. We know we can rest tonight. Next song is Princess or Monster. So when you play the princess version, you're gonna play higher. And then when you play the monster version, you're gonna play as written. So first time we play the princess version. So it's quite simple. First we look where's the rest and where's the skipping. And then we put an X in the middle for the skipping. So you know the X means you skip the space. We start from right hand. Ready, set, go. G all the way down to C. Skip, rest. C, D, skip, rest. D, E, skip to G. G all the way down to C, skip, rest, go up to G, jump to C. Now we're gonna play with the teacher's duet. Once there was a princess, rest, a princess, rest, a princess. Once there was a princess, rest, a long time ago. 2, 3, 4. She lives in a castle, rest, a castle, rest, a castle. Once lived in a castle, rest, a long time ago. We're gonna do the monster duet, which you play as written. Once there was a monster, a monster, a monster. Once there was a monster, a long time ago. He lived in a dungeon, a dungeon, a dungeon. He lived in a dungeon a long time ago. The Bug Boy. This song is only skipping on the line. Start from left hand. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. Rest, rest. 2, 3. Start right hand. C, skip, skip, skip to G twice. C, skip, C, skip to G. 2, 3, 4. C, skip, C, skip to G twice. E, C, G, G, C. Now the hook. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. Right, rest, right, rest, right. Then you're gonna keep repeating and keep doing lower and lower and softer and softer. You're gonna play with teacher's duet accompaniment, play as written. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Rest, rest. 2, 3, 4. See them proudly marching. Let's all give a cheer. 2, 3, 4. Flashing horns are sounding. Bugle boys are here. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, softer.